This Windermere Access Realty property video is presented by Slikes. This beautiful 4-bedroom 2.5-bath home shows pride of ownership throughout. The open and inviting entrance leads from the living room to a spacious kitchen, perfect for entertaining. Upstairs features full bath, laundry and great room. Enjoy the delightful water feature and pond in the backyard that gives just the right serene touch. Do Plaint, do flooring. This home is move-in ready. For more information, review the details below or contact Slikes at 208-890-4145.